Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, we are going to be answering another question which is very frequently asked. I am 25, can I now become a pilot? So without wasting any time, let me quickly tell you what I feel about this. So becoming a pilot is more about the passion that the person has for flying. It has nothing to do with age. It's all about what you want. There are many people who are not able to start their pilot training after their 12th standard. It could be because of lack of funds or maybe lack of information or anything else. So it doesn't matter, even if you're 25 or 26, if you have thought to start your pilot training, well, you are not late at all. You are still in perfect time because in India, the airlines hire freshers up to the age of 30 to 35. So even if you start your training at 25, by the time you will be done with your training, you'll get your licenses, examination, everything done. Max to max, you will be 27. You are still in the safe bracket. You will get a job once the airline announces the vacancies. But if you have decided to start your training this late or maybe at this age, well, it is very important. First thing first, get done with your medicals and be sure, because the investment is quite a lot. It's a lot of money that you're going to put in. So be very sure that you're medically fit, because this will guarantee you that yes, you will be able to get your CPL. You'll have to quickly rush with all your documents, whatever you need for your computer number. Make sure that everything is arranged and properly set. You might even want to clear your DGCA papers once you have received your computer number. Make sure you choose the right flying school. It is very important to go to a good flying school where there is a good set of instructors, good fleet and a good reputation. And if you're really worried about the job, if you do not want to go for a conventional pilot training, if you have the funds or if you are comfortable, please do try to go for a cadet pilot program. The vacancies keep coming now and then. So it is on an expensive side, but yes, this will guarantee you that you will get an entry into the airline. So if funds is not a problem, then definitely do give it a try. So I hope this answers your question if you can start your pilot journey after the age of 25. And I hope that if you are 25 and you're thinking to become a pilot, you will definitely give it a try. If not, what are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!